everybody, happy Sunday. I just wanted to touch base with you really quickly. I just arrived in beautiful Turks and Caicos at Beaches. So I wanted to share with you a little bit of what my week is going to look like. I am here to do some training for Sandals and Beaches, and so I get to stay and experience this awesome resort while I'm here. So I wanted to just take you on a quick little tour of my room because it is pretty cool. So we are in, this week, we are in the Key West Village, and it's pretty amazing. So we walk in the door and check this out. I have a huge kitchen area, totally amazing, wonderful for families. Gives you a lot of nice space, and then you walk around here and you have a fun little dining area, little sofa, TV, and then look at this amazing patio. Not one, but two doors going outside. I'm gonna unlock this here. I did just have a little bit of a rain shower, so it's trying to clear off here, and we're trying to see the sunshine again. But you can see, check out my patio here. Pretty nice. And here's my view. Haven't seen the beach yet. I'm gonna head that direction soon. And we're gonna head back inside. The family room again. Now, here's the bedroom. Look at that. Really big, nice bed. And again, doors to the patio. So, very fun. Not only go out from the family room, but also from the bedroom area. Then a little ensuite at the first closet. Of course, very exciting. In-room safe, which is always nice to have. And then we go in here to the ensuite. So nice sink area. Entrance from the kitchen. If you want to have people over, they can get to your bathroom without going to your bedroom. And then a nice little bathroom area. And then we are out here in the kitchen area again, in the family room. And here's Amy, traveling with me this week. So, I hope you guys have an awesome week. I will keep you posted with pictures and what's going on and what's happening and what we're learning during our training. So you have a wonderful time. We'll talk to you soon.